Today's assignment for math, you're going to continue kind of going off of what we did on Friday. So you have word problems that you're solving, and these word problems are going to involve whole numbers and mixed numbers. So you will notice that here's your assignment sheet. You're going to use the data from the chart regarding the height of football players right here. And it says use the data to create a line plot at the bottom of this page to answer the questions below. So you are going to go down to the bottom of this page, draw your line, your number line. You're going to need to decide what's the least greatest whole number you need, and then what's the greatest whole number you need. So the lowest one, the highest one, and then decide how to break your line up. As you notice, most of these are broken in, or most of these have eighths as the denominator. Some of them have fourths and halves. So you may want to convert those to eighths. It's up to you. If you can do that mentally, that's okay as well. And then you're going to start answering the questions. So B says, what's the difference in height? Obviously, that would be subtraction, not multiplication. So you're going to be using other operations as you go. Please make sure you read carefully and decide which operation you need to use and with what information you're going to need. So all of this data in your line plot is going to be used to answer the questions on this page 526, and the questions on page 527. After you've answered all of those questions, you will move on to your exit ticket. Your exit ticket is to be done independently. You will not work with your partner on your exit ticket. When you look at the exit ticket, the line plot has been created to start with, and it says use the table to locate the incorrect data on the line plot. Circle any incorrect points. So you're going to look over here, and anything that is incorrect, so for example, there's an X and there should not be an X, you're going to circle it. If there's any missing information, so let's say one of these is missing, you're going to put an X where it belongs. So circle any incorrect points, mark any missing points, meaning you're going to put the X's where they go. And then you will answer the question of the team members who ran 1 6/8 mile, how many miles did those team members run combined? So you're going to look to see how many kids ran that amount, and then you would multiply that whole number of how many kids times the amount of miles they ran. So again, you're doing that distributive property that we've been talking about, where you're multiplying a whole number times a mixed number. When you are done, you need to turn it into the gray basket. So just a reminder, when you are working on your problem set, where you are creating your line plot on your own and answering the questions, so pages 526 and 527, you may work with a partner. Once 526 and 527 has been checked and you have turned it in, then you may start your exit ticket. Your exit ticket needs to be done completely independently at your own desk.